Hi, I'm Sean, Policy and Insights Officer at WCVA, and we are urging the next Welsh Government to introduce a Voluntary Sector Partnership Act. We know legislation is hard to implement. Having a clear process which ensures commitments to the voluntary sector are honoured will help build trust between the sector and Welsh Government and between Welsh Government and the wider public in turn. An oversight duty will add extra transparency around decisions Welsh Government is taking concerning the voluntary sector. It will help the sector hold Welsh Government accountable and to scrutinise decisions it is making. The duty will require Welsh Government and public bodies to report on their progress towards realising the ambitions of the Act. This will give us concrete evidence on the progress which is being made. This will help us strengthen the relationship between Welsh Government and the voluntary sector. We need to be able to track progress, identify gaps, and continually improve our practice.